In today's rapidly changing and dynamic educational landscape, the role of a teacher extends well beyond simply disseminating information.
Teachers are the conductors of a classroom, skillfully orchestrating an environment that nurtures growth, creativity, and curiosity.
But what does it truly mean to be a classroom manager?
It means being a mentor, a friend, a leader, and motivator all at once.
It means adapting to diverse needs of every student and crafting an inclusive space where learning transforms into an exciting adventure for all.
So what are you waiting for? Come and join our team as we share our journey in discovering classroom learning management plan.
Classroom management refers to the strategies and techniques that teachers use to create and maintain a positive and effective learning environment in a classroom. It involves a wide range of skills and practices designed to ensure that the learning process runs smoothly and that students can engage in productive learning activities. It's not solely about managing misbehavior, but also about cultivating a positive and inclusive learning space where students can excel academically and socially. Hence, we conducted an observation focusing on 5 aspects of classroom management: classroom design, rules and discipline, scheduling and organization, instructional techniques, and communication.
To comply with DepEd Order Number 21 Series of 2023, the observed classroom was designed to be devoid of unnecessary artworks, decorations, tarpaulins, and posters. DepEd spokesperson Michael Powa stated that the order aimed to ensure classrooms are clean, orderly, and functional. Consequently, Ms. Maricel, an elementary school teacher at Bulingit, sees nothing objectionable in a clutter-free classroom as long as it is structured appropriately for classroom's needs. When asked about the standards for creating a conducive learning environment, Ms. Maricel consistently emphasizes the importance of neatness, order, and simplicity in the classroom.
Ms. Maricel believes that a neat, orderly, and simple classroom fosters an environment conducive to learning. It enhances concentration, encourages inclusivity, and creates a space where education can thrive, enabling students to reach their full potential.
On the other hand, establishing rules within the classroom is essential for cultivating a safe environment that facilitates effective teaching and learning. According to the teacher we interviewed, rules are vital as they make learners aware of what is and isn't acceptable behavior both inside and outside the classroom. They also play a significant role in fostering a sense of responsibility among learners. Therefore, to instill discipline in the classroom, Ms. Maricel ensures she sets clear boundaries as a teacher.
There should be a clear line indicating that she is the teacher and they are her learners. With that understanding, learners are expected to adhere to the rules she establishes from the first day of the class to maintain peace and order inside the classroom.
Regarding scheduling and organization, the interviewee shared that class schedules and teacher workloads are typically prepared 1 to 2 weeks before the start of classes. This task is typically undertaken by the assistant principal and the registrar during the teacher's vacation period. Preparing an organized class schedule is crucial in a classroom setting because it contributes to the creation of structured, productive, and predictable learning environment. Additionally, it aids teachers in managing their time, effectively delivering instruction effectively, and meeting administrative requirements.
Hence, the teacher should prioritize creativity, innovation, and excellence as they serve as the cornerstone of the learning management plan.
Great work, EduExplorer. I believe with all the information we obtained from the interview, it is now easier for us to create a good and effective classroom management plan.
I must agree with Vince, but before we end this vlog, it is just proper that we share some of our takeaways from this worksheet.
Absolutely. Teachers play a multifaceted role, encompassing not only education but also classroom management. Balancing these responsibilities is key to creating a conducive learning environment where students can thrive academically and personally.
Indeed, teachers hold a significant responsibility in establishing and enforcing rules to maintain discipline within the classroom. This ensures a safe and productive learning environment where students can focus on their studies and personal growth.
They also create an inclusive atmosphere that promotes learning and enhances student behavior, leading to increased academic achievement.
And for that, teachers must encompass a variety of skills and techniques to run the class smoothly.
Hello, Tropang student teachers. This is Jessica from Edu Explorer for more vlogs about our field study journey. Till the next video!